Yes, Ravan. So you can see the presentation now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see here. As here we have to learn about the fractions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do you know about the fraction? Can you please define it?
Sir, fractions means like example you have a circle. No, it's a part of a number.
Good. It's a part of a whole.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Of a whole.
So as here fraction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mainly we can say that a fraction is a number. Okay, generally it is a number that that shows a part of a whole. Okay, is it clear? So as an
Yes, sir.
example, suppose we have a rectangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when we divide it into 4, 5, 6. So as here we divided, suppose we have divided this rectangle in 6 equal parts. Okay, I divided it in 6 equal parts. Okay, so and among that I colored the two parts. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, Ravan. Ethan, sorry. So as you can see, I divided here this triangle into how many parts?
Six parts.
Okay, one, two, three, four, five, and this is six. Okay, so as I divided it in six different parts, so after this, I shaded the two parts. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Just wait a minute. Suppose I shaded the two parts. Okay, this one. This is the first part. Okay, and I am shading this part also. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes. How many parts I shaded
Yes,
here?
sir.
How many shaded part you can see here? Tell me, dear.
Sir, two parts.
Two parts, right? Okay. So if we have to write it, then how we will write the say, or we have to compare the shaded part with the unshaded part. Then how we will compare it, dear? Can you please tell me
Yes, sir.
how we will? Yes, tell me. Here we can say that two parts
Sir,
two parts are shaded shaded
2
in
by 6.
yeah, in fraction na, but in a statement if we have to write it, then how we will write it like two parts are shaded in six parts, right? or among six parts, right?
Yes, sir.
Among
Yes, sir.
six parts, right? So as you can see here, the total number
Yes,
of
sir.
parties, the total number of parties, Ethan, six. Very good. And in that six, number of parts which are shaded in, which are shaded, number of parts which are shaded.
Sir,
Sir,
your
your
screen is
screen is
stuck.
stuck.
Hello, I'm audible. Can you hear me?
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, can you hear
any
me?
voice? Sir,
sir,
any
any
voice?
voice?
Yes, Ethan. So I told, as you can see here, the two parts are shaded among six parts, right? So the
Yes,
total
sir.
number of parts is, total
Six.
number of part is six, and the number of shaded part is
Two.
two. So when we will write this one, this statement in this form, okay, this is known as the fraction, okay, and this will be read as 2 by 6. It will be read as 2 by 6, okay. You can write here, read as 2 by 6, okay. Is it clear now? And this is the form of the fraction, okay. This is the form of the fraction,
Yes, sir.
okay. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Tell me. So this is the form of a fraction, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the form of a fraction, okay. So when we will write the general form of the fraction, okay, if we have to write the general form of the fraction, the general form of the fraction will be, see here, I'm I started from the beginning, okay, from the basic
Yes, sir.
parts. The general form of a fraction. So do you know the general form of a fraction?
Sir, you mean fractions like uh,
It is p
uh,
by q. It is p by q, where q should not be 0, okay. Or you can say that, or a by b, a by b, where b should not be equal to 0, okay. So here you can see p, q, a, b, these are variables, right? Do you know about the variables now? Variables
yes,
means
sir.
whose value can be vary, right? And
Yes, sir.
constant means whose value is fixed. So 2 by 3, 2, 5, 7, these are very constant, right? Their value are fixed, okay. So here in general form we use the variables, okay. Is it clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
So here P will represent the shaded or unshaded part, and Q will be represent the total part. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
A, similarly here in A by B, A will be the shaded or unshaded part, and Q, B will be the total part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So as an example, here we saw a fraction 2 by 6, right? So in 2 by 6, we can say that this 2 represent shaded part, okay? Shaded
Yes, sir.
part, and this 6 represent total parts, okay?
Yes, sir.
Total parts, or we can say that whole part, okay? Whole part.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now? Or any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
And this top number, the top number which you can see here, the top one is known as the known as, do you know it? As here in 2 by 6, 2 is known as,
Sir, 2 is known as numerator.
Numerator. Very good, dear. Okay. And 6 will be known as denominator. Okay.
denominator.
Denominator. So denominator is mainly whole part. Denominator represent the whole part, as you can see here. Okay. This is the denominator. 6 is the denominator, right? And the numerator. This is the numerator, which is 2, which represent the shaded or unshaded part. Okay. Is it clear, dear? Or any doubt?
No, sir, no.
No, na. So did you understand the concept of the fraction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's some another example. This one you have to tell me what will be the fraction for this. Okay,
Yes,
suppose
sir.
this is the circle and I divided it into four equal parts. Okay, how many parts?
Four
You can
parts,
see
sir.
here. Okay, and I shaded the few parts. Just wait a minute. Suppose I shaded this part. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
if you have to write this in a fraction, what you will write the fraction for shaded part?
Sir, 1/4.
Fraction for shaded part. Okay,
One
it
by
will be
four.
dear. Yes,
One
in
by
the
four.
numerator we will write the shaded part. It is 1. Okay, and the
Yes, sir.
denominator we have to write the total part, right? Or the whole part.
Yes,
So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of parts are
four parts.
4. Very good. So here the fraction will be 1 by 4. Okay. The fraction will be
Yes, sir.
1 by 4. So did you understand the fraction now? And
Yes, sir.
after this, I consider here that you have already understand or learned the equivalent fractions and compare of fraction. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this topic we will revise by doing the questions, okay, of exercise A 4A, okay, the equivalent fractions and comparing of fraction, comparison of fraction. This topic we revise or we do the warm up for these two topic by doing the questions of 4A, okay. But here these are the basic concepts of fraction. Please note down it. Please first note down this part, then note down this part, and then note down this part. After completing all these, please tell me. We will continue with the equivalent and comparison of the fraction. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
please note down first of all this part. When you will be done, then please tell me. I will scroll to the next part or move to the next page. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please note down it, dear. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's see here. It's about equivalent fraction. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
before starting the question, I will just give or we will just discuss a basic introduction about the equivalent fraction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So as here equivalent fractions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, the fraction will looking and the numerator and the denominator will be different, okay, but the value of the fraction will be same. So those type
Yes,
of
sir.
fraction will be known as equivalent fraction. Okay, just like an example, as an example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, okay, 3
Yes, sir.
by 6, like this, etc. Not we can say etc. We can say 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 are equivalent fraction. Okay, are equivalent fractions. Okay, now let's see here why they are equivalent fractions. Okay, Because when you will solve 1 by 2, it's mean here 1 is divided by 2, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
when you will divide the 2 by 1, you will get, here we can't divide 1, okay, so we can just divide it by 0, okay, two zeros are 0, like this, here 1, then we will give the decimal. By giving the decimal, here we write a 0, and then we can divide it by 5 times, okay, in 5 times, so 2 fives are 10, okay. It's mean we can say that 1 by 2 will be equal to 2.5, right?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 is, it will be equal to 0.5, right?
Yes, sir.
0.5. Similarly, here let's see 2 by 4. So when you will divide the 2 by 4, you will get the same result. As here we can't divide it, the 2. So here we will divide it by 0. 4 zeros are 0, right? So here it will be
Yes,
2.
sir.
Now we will give the decimal. So we will write the 0. And then here in 5 times, 2 fives are 20. Do you know the division of decimals? Do you know these things?
Sir, mm, sir, no, sir.
Okay, then no problem, dear. Just for now, consider it. When we will learn the division, at that time, at that point, I will explain it in detail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just for proving you ki why these fractions are equal, I am just showing this. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
as you can see here, what is the value of 2 by 4? What is the value of 2 by 4? It is
Zero, sir.
0.5, and you can see also 1 by 2 is also equal to 0.5, okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you will get the value for 3 by 6, okay. So when you will divide 3 by 6, it's mean here we have to divide the 3 by 6. So as we can't divide 3, right? Not even in one time, because 6 1 just 6, in 6 one time it is 6. So here we divide it in 0 times, 6 zeros are 0, okay.
Yes, sir.
Here 3, then we will give a decimal, and here we will write the 0 instead of decimal, and now we can divide it in 5 times. So 6 fives are 30, right? So
Yes,
as you can see here, the value of 3 by 6 is also equal to 0.5, right?
yes, sir.
It is equal to 0.5, right? Is it clear, or any doubt?
No, sir.
So as you can see here, the value of 1 by 2, 2 by 4, and 3 by 6 also, for all these the value is equal to, the
Zero,
value
sir.
is 0.5. That's why we can say that these fractions are equivalent fraction, okay.
Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand it?
Yes,
So
sir.
as you can see here, in each fraction, the numerator and denominator are different, right? The numerator and the denominator are different, but their value are same, which is 0.5. So that's why these are known
Uh,
as
Equivalent
equivalent
fractions.
equivalent fraction, okay. This is the concept of equivalent fraction. Now let's see here how we will find the equivalent fractions, okay.
Sir, I have a
Suppose,
question.
yes, tell me, dear.
Can you do equivalent fractions with improper fractions?
What?
Can you do equivalent fractions with mixed fractions?
See dear, the mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, these are the different things. Okay,
Yes,
they
sir.
are the types of fraction. So when we will learn the types of fraction, in that one we will learn these things. Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
for now we are just doing the basics things or for a fraction. Okay, of fraction. We are just
Yes,
doing
sir.
the introduction of fractions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when we will learn the types of fraction, in that topic we will learn, under that topic we will learn the like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, okay, these things.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we will know how to find the equivalent fraction, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how to find the
Equivalent
equivalent fractions. Okay, or
yes,
fraction. So let's see here. Suppose 1 by 2 is given. Okay,
yes,
and here we have to find the three equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. Okay, so
yes, sir.
let's see here how we will do it. First of all, we will write 1 by 2. Okay, then we will give the equal to mark, and here we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so by multiply or by divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, we can get the equivalent fractions. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear? So as here we have to multiply the numerator, which is 1, and the
Yes,
denominator, which is 2. Both number we have to multiply by the same number. Okay, so whenever we will do these things, you can apply, you can multiply it by any number. Okay, but avoiding the confusion, we will multiply it by counting numbers. Okay, so as you can see here, when we will multiply it by then 1 in both one, then we will get the same fraction, right?
yes, sir.
Because 1 into 1 it will be 1, and 2 into
Yes,
1 it will be 2. So we will get the same fraction. Okay, so that's why in the first we will not divide multiply it by 2. We will multiply, if sorry, we will not multiply it by 1, we will multiply it by 2. Okay,
two.
so here, whenever we have to find the equivalent fraction, please keep in mind you can multiply the numerator and the denominator. You have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, and you
Yes,
can
sir.
take any number. If you can take 5, then you have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by 5. If you are taking 7, then you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. Okay, but for avoiding confusion, please try to multiply it by the counting numbers and start it by 2. Okay, start it
Yes,
by
sir.
2. So here you will get 2, 1 into 2, it will be 2 by 4. So this is the first equivalent fraction. Okay, now
Yes,
we
sir.
will find the second equivalent fraction. So we will write the again given fraction, which is 1 by 2, and this time we will try to multiply by 3. Okay, you
Yes,
can
sir.
multiply by any number, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, any number, but for avoiding confusion I am going with the counting numbers. Okay, so as
Yes,
you can
sir.
see here, in the first I multiplied by 2, and here I am multiplying by 3. Okay, so it will be
Yes,
1
sir.
into 3, it will be 3, and 2 into 3 it will be 6. So this will be the second equivalent fraction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear? Now we will find one more equivalent fraction to 1 by 2. Okay, so here again we will write the given fraction, which is 1 by 2, and this time I will multiply it by
4.
4. Yes, okay, we can we multiply it by 6 instead of 4? Can we multiply it by 6 instead of 4? Hello, hello, can you hear me, Ethan? Okay, I am saying, can instead of 4, can we multiply it by 6, both in numerator and denominator?
Yes, sir. But
Yes, yes, dear, very good. We can multiply it. Okay,
yes,
but
sir.
for avoiding the confusion, we will continue by the counting numbers. Okay,
Yes,
do
sir.
you want to say anything?
No, sir.
So, here then fraction will be, tell me what will be the fraction?
Sir, the fraction is 4 by 8.
Very good, dear. Okay. Similarly, you can find the fourth equivalent fraction now, or the next equivalent fraction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in the last we will write, so 1 by 2, next one was 2 by 4, then 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Equivalent fractions. Okay, is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
here we will write, hence 1 by 2 will be equal to 2 by 4. Okay, and it will be equal to 3 by 6 and it will be equal to 4 by 8. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Sir,
this
I have
was
a
the,
question.
yes, tell me.
How many times do you have to do this process?
This process we will do according to the questions. Okay. If in question it will ask for three equivalent fraction, then we will find the three different equivalent fractions. Okay, or the three equivalent fraction of the given fraction.
Sir,
If it will ask, huh? Yeah, tell me.
but in the textbook it's written which of the following pairs of
Hmm?
fractions are equivalent.
Yes, dear. That is the different question. Here we are just doing the basic thing of equivalent fraction. Okay.
Yes,
Here
sir.
just we are doing the revision. We are just learning the equivalent fraction. After this, we will know how to check the two fractions are equivalent or not. So
Yes, sir.
that question is based on this one to check the equivalent fractions,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
whether they are equivalent or not. So we didn't do that one right now because we
Yes,
are
sir.
just doing the basic things for now, okay,
Yes, sir.
so that your concept should be clear and then you can do that level of questions, okay.
Yes, sir.
If I will start with directly that level of the question, then you may become confused, okay. So
Yes, sir.
that's why I started with the basic level.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for today, I will keep till here. I am giving you question as a homework. You have to solve it by yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here it will be mm, find five equivalent fraction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Five equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. Okay. 3 by 5.
Fine.
So you have to find this question as a homework. This question you have to do as a homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you have to submit me by today night. This is your deadline. Okay. Did you
Sir, I
understand how you will do?
sir,
Hmm?
I can't do it today. Can I send it tomorrow?
Why not today, dear?
Sir, I have other subjects to study. That's why.
But
And
you
I
should
have
do the revision of this one also, na?
sir, I have to do another project also.
But you should do this one revision for this one also, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please try, है ना? Please try. If you can submit, then it will be good. Otherwise, do it as soon as possible. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
before that, please note down from here equivalent fraction. Then note down this one. Okay. And then please note down this one and the homework. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, is there any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Now in the tomorrow's class we will learn how to check the two fractions are equivalent or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So before starting that one, the concept should be clear. That's why today we learned these things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you understand your concepts are clear now. And for today that's all. So you can see the presentation, Nathan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait a minute. It's me. We in the last class we have learned about the fractions,
Yes,
general
sir.
form of fractions. Okay, equivalent fraction. After that we learned how to make the equivalent or how to write the or form the equivalent fractions. Okay,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, before starting the exercise or the question, I want to discuss something with you.
Yes, sir.
In the last class, we learnt about the general form of fraction, right?
Yes, sir.
What was the general form of the fraction?
Sir, general form of the fraction is the however the format
The
of
form, format,
yes,
very good. So how it is? In the variable, how we write it? In the
the
numerator, we will
smaller
write.
number the smaller number will be on top and the
No, no,
bigger number
not
will
like
be
this, dear. No,
on
no, no,
top.
not like this, dear. It will be wrong. If you will say like this, then it will be wrong, okay? Because numerator can be greater than denominator. It can be, okay?
Oh,
So the general form was P by Q, where Q should not be 0.
yes, sir.
We learnt it yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Or we can say that A by B, where B is not equal to 0, okay? Now the question is, कि sir, why here Q is not equal to 0? Why B is not equal to 0? It's mean why denominator should not be equal to 0? Why? What
Sir,
happened? It
because
will be 0.
sir, denominator is zero, it will become an improper fraction, and the improper fraction
No,
will
no,
be
no, no, no.
also
No. Good try, dear, but this is not the correct explanation. Okay, we will understand with an example. Okay, we will understand it with an example. Suppose we have a fraction whose denominator is 0. Okay, such as 2 by 0. Okay, so when we will divide this one, then here 0 will, sorry, 2 will be divided by,
zero.
2 will be 0 divided by
2
0. Okay, do you know the multiple of 0?
Yes, sir.
0 1 times, 0 2 times,
Zero.
0 3 times,
Zero.
0 4 times,
Zero.
0 5 times,
Zero.
0 6 times.
Zero.
We will continue it all time. We will get in each time or in each step we will get the result as 0
Zero.
till infinity. Okay, this is the first
Yes,
point.
sir.
Second point is, we also know that now whenever we will multiply a number by 0, the resultant or the product will be
Zero.
0. Very good. So can we divide this 2 by 0 in the multiple of 2,
Sir,
or sorry, in the multiple of 0? As you can see, the resultant can never be a non-zero number. It will be always 0. We can't get 2 as a multiple of 0, so we can't divide it now,
yes, sir.
right? Or we can't get the smallest non-zero number than 2 in the multiple of 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's mean if we will continue it till infinity, if we will find the infinite product or the multiple of 0, every time we will get the result as
Zero.
0. We can't get the product or the result as a non-zero number, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
can we divide it? Can we divide it?
No, sir.
No, it's mean this is not possible. Not possible to find, right? Possible
Yes,
to
sir.
find. Okay. And this one not possible to find. In mathematics, generally we will call it as not defined or can't define. Okay. So in short, we can say that ND. So whenever it will be in 0 in the denominator, the result will be ND, means not defined or can't define. We can't define it. We can't divide it. Okay. But here D for not the divide. Okay. Uh,
Yes, sir. Sir?
this, yes, yes. Just wait a minute, Ethan. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tell me. Yes, tell me. Do you
Sir?
have any doubt? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, our
Mm-hmm.
teacher told us
Mm-hmm.
if any
That is the okay.
But
Okay, okay.
what if
Please
the
continue.
fraction was like 0 by 1? I mean 1 by 0.
1 by 0. Okay. Very good. Good question, dear. I like it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That you are asking the questions. That this confidence, I like it. So, as you said, ki the fraction whose denominator will be less than numerator, right? As
Yes, sir.
5 by 2, okay? Or 3 by 2. These are improper fractions, right?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
These are improper fraction,
Improper.
okay? But here, the as you can see, the denominator is less than numerator, okay? This is correct. But when you will solve this one, the result we can't define it, we can't find the result, okay? So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
here it will be not defined, or we can't define it, okay? Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
now? Yes, sir. Or any doubt? Yes, sir. And the thing which you told in improper fraction,
Yes, sir.
okay? So that will be, we will learn when we will learn the types of fraction, okay? So
Yes,
in
sir.
types of fraction, we will learn about the improper fractions and proper fractions, okay?
Yes, sir.
So here 5 by 2, 3 by 2, these are improper fraction,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So that is the another topic. This is the another topic, okay? It will be, we will learn it in the types of fraction, but here I am saying कि as we learn the fraction, its general form is p by q or a by b, where denominator should not be 0. Why it should not be 0? Because when it will be 0, then we can't divide it, we can't find the answer, okay, we can't solve it. So that's why its value will be not defined, okay. So that's why in a fraction, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let's come to our exercise. Okay? The warm up exercise. See here how we will solve the questions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
As you can see, the first question A. Here it is written which of the following pair of fractions are equivalent fraction. Okay? The first question is, here we have to check the given pair of fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, this one we have to check. So let's see here how we will do it. Okay, whenever it will become, we have to do like this. Okay, 1 by 2 and 4 by 6. Okay, so here we will do the cross multiplication. Okay.
Cross multiplication.
Yes, cross multiplication means I'm explaining here in the rough. Okay, you have to not note down this one.
Sir,
Here 1 by
we
2
have
and
to
4 by 6 are equal. Yes, tell me.
Sir, you have to multiply 6 and 2 by 4.
Good, very good, dear. So, they, as these two are, we will suppose that they are equivalent fraction. Okay, it's mean when we will do the cross multiplication, this one will be multiplied by this 6 and this 2 will be multiplied by 4. Okay, then it will be 1 into 6 equal to 2 into 4. As here when you will solve it, 1 into 6, it will be 6 equal to 2 into 4, what it will be? Yes, are they equal? Are they equal? 6 and 8 are equal? No. So here we will cut the equal to. Okay. This sign is not known as not equal to. This sign is known as not equal to. Okay. It's mean here 6 is not equal to 8. So 1 by 2 and 4 by 6 are not equivalent fraction. Okay. equivalent fraction. Okay now, so we will do this one in a fair, but here we will learn how we have to write it. It is step by step. Okay, so first of all, in the first step we will write the question as it is. Okay, then here we will write by cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication. It's mean we have to write the name of the method. Okay, by which method we are going to solve it. So by which method? By cross multiplication method. Okay, so as here in cross multiplication, this one will be multiplied by the 6. So here we will write
Six will
1.
multiply by one.
So 1 into 6, it will be
Six.
6. Then we will write, and now we will multiply to 2 into
What? 2.4.
4. It will
Sir,
be
8.
8. Why you are taking too much time? It's basic thing now. Then here we will write, so here the cross products are not equal. Not equal. Okay, therefore
Yes,
here I
sir.
am using the sign of therefore. Okay, so that it will look like a standard. Okay, therefore 1 by 2 and 4 by 6 are, what we will write, are not, tell me, equivalent fraction.
Fractions.
Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so like this we have to solve each and every question of this type. Okay, first of all I am again explaining. Okay, first of all we have to write the question as it is, then we have to write the method, then we will multiply the first one and the second one like this. Then here we will check the cross products. If they are not equal, so then here we will write, so here the cross products are not equal, therefore 1 by 2 and 4 by 6 are not equivalent fraction. Okay, if they will be equal, then how we will write,
Then
from this line. No, no,
1 by
from
2
this line.
and
No, no,
4
just
by 6 and are equivalent fractions.
wait a minute, Ethan. I am talking about from this line. So here the cross products are equal. At that time we will write, so here the cross products are equal. Therefore, we will write the given fraction and tell are equivalent fraction. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear or any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
No. Then first of all, please note down it. Okay. And after this, you have to try the next question. Okay. First of all, please note down it here. And if there will be any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.